In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine text and image in Canva. We'll create that clean, layered look where your text sits nicely with your image, and parts of the image overlap the words for a professional finish. Start by opening Canva and heading to your home page. From here, select a template that matches your project, whether it's a social post, a presentation slide, or a poster. Using a template gives you a canvas at the right size and a quick starting layout. Next, upload your image. You can drag and drop it into Canva, or use the Uploads panel to bring it in. Once it's on your canvas, resize it by pulling the corner handles so it fills the area the way you want, and reposition it until the focal point sits where it looks best. Think about visual balance and breathing room. Now add your text. Click on Text, choose, add a heading, and type your word or phrase. This will be the message that interacts with your image, so keep it short and impactful. Change the font to something that complements your image's mood, bold for strong subjects, elegant for softer scenes. Resize the text and move it into place so it overlaps or sits near the subject. The goal is to make them feel like part of the same scene. Open the advanced text settings and adjust line spacing if you're using multiple lines. Tightening or opening the spacing can help the text fit around your subject more naturally and improves readability. Here's the key to blending them. Duplicate the image that's on your canvas. With the duplicate selected, click on BG Remover to remove its background. Note that this tool is available on Canva Pro. You'll now have the subject cut out on a transparent background. Match the cutout perfectly over the original image. The two should align exactly so they look like one. If needed, use your arrow keys for precise nudges. When it's lined up, the text should appear tucked behind parts of the subject. Crop the cutout so it only covers the area where you want the subject to overlap the text. This makes the effect intentional and clean, without hiding more of the text than needed. Finally, fix any crop parts by refining the crop box and nudging the cutout until edges look seamless and the text remains legible. And that's it. Your text and image now work together in a polished, layered design. Practice this on different photos and fonts to find combinations that match your style.